What's up, everybody? We're out here in Austin today. We got Carla over there. She's a professional kayaker. But yeah, we're having a good time. Shit, we're contemplating we want to move over here one of these days. Pretty cool. Right now, actually, I want to cold call while we're kayaking. I just want to showcase that there's no excuse. You can fucking do this anywhere. Like, literally, I'm on the motherfucking water. I think y'all can see the Google building behind me. We got our phone. We're screen recording. And yeah, we're going to call a few vacants. Hopefully, I can steer the fucking kayak while I do this. But I really just want to showcase that there's no excuse. You can literally do this shit from anywhere. So yeah, we're gonna cold call some vacants. These vacants were actually sent to me while we were kayaking. I got the text message from one of my bird dogs. He sent me 3 of them. I don't have a lot of batteries, so let's try. We're gonna cold call using Propelio, and we're gonna simply search the property. And yeah, we're gonna keep it simple. Hey, saw a property, was vacant, I was driving around, just seeing if you consider selling. It's that simple. Like, we don't have to complicate it. It's a beautiful day out here, by the way. We want to move to Austin. It's more a vibe. We love kayaking. We just like being outdoors, our dogs, and I mean, we're still gonna keep the house where we're at and just probably Airbnb it since it's on the water. But yeah, we really dig Austin. It's really cool. Love the coffee shops over here. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. So we got one on 4th. Let's see, it's so hot out here. So we're gonna skip trace it really quick. And again, we're using Propelio. And yeah, if we get somebody right now on the water, 4 pillars. Hey, so I know I called you. What has you considering selling? Walk me through the property, condition, timeline, and price. That's simple. Like, one property can change their life. Shit, my girlfriend, I don't even know where she's at. I told her take off. I'm gonna record a video real quick. So let's see what we got. Hopefully I can see my screen. So we're screen recording right now. We're on Propelio. We have a landline. Let's see who we're looking for. A Gary and a Connie. All right. Gary and a Connie. Shit, I'm drifting away. Oh, we'll make it happen. Fuck it, let's call the first number. So 1101. Let's get on speaker real quick. Hello. All right, went to voicemail. So let me start up real quick, and we'll call another one right now. All right, take number 2. We're doing another. Skip tracing another vacant. The other one didn't answer. So let's see if this one answers. We're looking for Elizabeth. And again, these leads were sent to me literally 15 minutes ago. I'm out kayaking, I can see. And just showcasing that it can be done anywhere. All right, again, we're using Propelio. We're looking for Elizabeth or Abel. My phone's about to die. Hopefully we can get some calls. Elizabeth or Abel. Fuck it, I'm gonna call the first number. Hopefully I can hear it. We got the train passing by too. I can hear the phone ringing. I'm literally fucking cold calling while we're kayaking. I don't think nobody's done this shit.
Please leave your message for...
Hey, good afternoon. My name is Fabian. Yeah, I have a property I'm fixing in Texas City, and I was driving around and noticed a property on 5th Avenue. And just reaching out to see if you consider selling. My number is 832. Thank you. All right, we cold called while we kayak. Hell yeah. All right, so my phone's about to die. I'm fucking hot. I just want to showcase that it's possible anywhere. So yeah, hopefully I enjoyed this. I just wanted to fucking showcase it. This is more of our lifestyle, kayaking, bikes, all that shit. It's just shit. We might move over here one of these days. Yeah, but look at how beautiful it is. Do you see them? They're right there. This looks like, what does that park by the condo? Dude, they need to be charged, or you can just fucking, right in Austin. It's really nice in here. I want to do this in the backyard, small little home.